Welcome to Cooking Conspiracy. Today we're making tomato and sausage soup. Start off by chopping your sausage. Brown your sausage with a little bit of olive oil over low heat. Once brown, remove the sausage and leave the fat to saute the onions and garlic. Coarsely chop 3 small onions and use 3 cloves of garlic chopped. Saute over low heat in the sausage fat and olive oil. Add your sliced cherry tomatoes as the onions become soft. As you continue to saute, add your meat back in. Add 2 to 3 cups of water. Add your broccoli and your peas and stir them in. Start to add your seasoning. I use parsley, oregano, basil, salt, and cayenne pepper. Be conservative, season as you go, and adjust accordingly. You can always add more. Now bring your soup to a boil. Simmer for at least an hour, stirring occasionally. Now add your pasta and simmer until the pasta is soft. Your soup is now ready to be served. For added flavor, add Parmesan cheese. And if you like crackers, feel free to add those too.